Hello everyone, I hope you people are doing well. Today we will know how to install Flutter in Android Studio. So let's get started. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open the Chrome or any browser you want to use, and here you have to search this Flutter SDK and click on this first link here. Click on this Windows here if you want to install it in Windows, and download this file. I have already downloaded here and I have used it here. First, what you have to do, create one src folder as I've done here. Look here. Then I have created one Flutter folder. Then I have pasted that folder which I have downloaded here. Here, look, it's all the same here. Now what's the second thing you have to do? You have to go to this bin and copy this path here. Then here search for environment variable and click on this environment variables, and what you have to do, click on this path. I have already pasted it here, but here what you have to do, click on this new, and you have to paste that Flutter folder path here wherever you have pasted, where you have used here. I have used in the C. You should also, it's recommended to use in the C. Okay, now what's the second thing you have to do? If you have installed the Android Studio, I hope you have installed. Here is a user, then the name of your name, and here is the app data folder. It's first hidden here, but I have shown this hidden items. Here check app data, local and Android. Here SDK. Copy this path. Now what you have to do, go to environment variable again, and here there I have pasted Android home here. Let me delete this and click on this new, and either write Java home and paste that path here. You can also write Android home here, Android home. You can write both of them. Okay, click on OK, and here also OK. It's done. Now what you have to, open this Android Studio here and go to plugins, and here is a plugins. Go to this marketplace and search for Flutter. Okay, install this, and when you want to install this, it would ask you for the installation of Dart, so you must install it before the Flutter. So install it. It's installing both of them. So both are installed. It requires to restart the IDE. So let's restart this. It's restarted, and here it is now in the install tab. Now what you have to do, go to this projects, and here click on this new Flutter project here. Okay, select Flutter, and here the SDK is selected as we have selected. If you have not, so go here, and where you have pasted that Flutter, just copy this and paste it here. Okay, now click on next and give the name where you want to, what's your project name. Let me give first project. Alright, and let me create one folder here, first project. Let me copy this path, paste it here, this one here. Okay, and this Flutter this description should be the same, or you want to give a description as yourself. Select application here and give a domain name here. If you have a website name, you can also give it here, but we mostly use this com.example for testing purpose. You can also give your name here, but let me use example for now, and just select this Kotlin and Swift for now. and deselect these. Android and iOS should be selected and click on finish. Now look, and Flutter is installed here, and here it is showing the Android version, but we should select this project so it would show for Flutter. And here lives here is a dot folder here. We would know about all this in the upcoming videos, but in this video I just wanted to show you how to install this. And if you got the idea how to install it, and if this was helpful, so please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.